Now as you launch the application for first time, you will see the registration screen. On this screen first you have option to take the trial for 3 times by clicking on the trial button. After you are done with the 3 trials, you have to register this tool for the further use. There are 2 ways using which you can register this software with Knowtulus Education Technologies. First way is through email. In this way user have to send the product ID which is visible here and the serial number which should be available on your CD. If you have downloaded the tool, then you just need to send the product ID. After this, Knowtulus will send you the serial key within 24 hours. Once you receive the serial key, you need to add this serial key at this location and press register button. With this you will get the pop-up that registration is successful. You can do the registration through SMS also in the same manner. After the registration you will come to this screen. This is the main screen of tool. This screen is divided in 4 sections. First section is the level selection. In this you can select the difficulty level you want. Depending on your difficulty level selected, the test will be generated from that difficulty level itself. Here are 3 different buttons for selection. If you select notes, you will be redirected to the new screen. In this section the basic concepts and formulas for the different topic and subtopic are given. These will be useful for the user to brush up their basic concepts. Next is exam selection section, in which you can select the MBA entrance exam for which you want to prepare. Then click on test. With this you will be redirected to the test screen. This is the initial instruction screen. In this screen you will get all the instruction for the respective test. Once you press OK, the actual test will start. To indicate this, timer will be started. On this screen here you see the question and 4 options. If the questions are based on some data like passages or graphs, then screen will be divided in 2 parts. One part will display the passage or some other data, and other part will display question and 4 options. In this screen below you have the different interface buttons. This is the button which you can use to go to next question. And this button you can use to go back to previous question. This button is used to see the preview of your test. If you click on this you will be redirected to the review screen. In this screen you get overall status about your test. From here, if you want to jump to some particular question, just double click on it and you will be redirected to that question. This is the button to end or submit the exam. If you click on it, will ask if you want to end the test. If you say yes, it will show the score, and the detailed explanation for every question will be given. Also the green mark on option indicates that this is the right option, and if you had clicked wrong one it will be indicated by the red one. After ending test, if user again clicks on the review button, detailed analysis for the particular test will be generated. First table will give overall analysis by informing user how many questions were attempted, how many were correct, and so on. Second table gives the topic-wise analysis, and third one gives the question-wise analysis. This analysis helps the student to identify weakness and strong points. This is the button where you can get the information about the Knowtulus Education Technologies. This button will take you to the help file. In this help file all the detailed user guide is given. You can refer this help file if you face any difficulty to use this software. This button is used to save the test for the future reference. Click on this button, then give the name with which you want to save this test. You can retrieve this test in future at any point of time. This button you can use to go back to the main screen. Now we are back on main screen. In exam selection section we have one more option for previous question papers. In this you can select the exam and year. With this selection, paper for that particular exam, for that particular year will be generated. For example, if I select CAT and year as 2008, Now CAT 2008 paper will be generated. Now we will see the practice section. Just click on the practice. Now in the topic section you will see the list of subjects like English, quantitative ability, data interpretation and general knowledge. If you want to prepare for a particular topic, select that topic, then select the number of questions you want to prepare and click on Test. In Practice Test you can select only one topic at a time. The test will be generated for that particular topic with the selected number questions. Select the practice section again. After selecting any one subject, click on Advanced button. With this click you will see a list of subtopics in the Advanced section. If you want to prepare for any subtopic particular from the subject, you can select the number of question and click on Test, so the test on that particular subtopic will be generated. Now coming to Custom option. This is the option given to user to customize their own test. In this you can select the multiple topics and select the number of question from every topic. Then press Tests button. The combined test of all the topics will be generated. In this section you can also use the Advanced option to generate the customized test by selecting the particular subtopics. In the Advanced section there is option of Select All. You click on this and select the number of question and all the subtopics from that topic will be selected. Choose the number of questions and click on Test and the test will be generated with all the subtopics. This is the button you can use to reload the saved test. From the list select the test you want to load. For your reference the test name along with date appears here. That's all for the Knowtulus Management. For more details please visit website www.knowtulus.com.